In this video, I'm going to explain how to import our file through the DDE triplet. For DDE triplet, you have to remember few points. Uh, DDE can only use in window operating environment, and also like a Excel sheet must be running on the computer while SAS is accessing the file. We are writing the program in DDE triplet. So first of all, we have to write down the file name. Here we will give the external path of my file, and I'm creating a new file, that new one for external file. So DDE and DDE का full form जो है वो dynamic data exchange, and no tab basically ignore a tab character between variables. And after that we have to give the data, I'm giving the data name is abcd. It will save in my work library. In file the I'm just referring the previous one file, that new one. And dlm basically specify the delimiter character, and 09x it is hexadecimal representation of tab character. dsd and specify that two consecutive delimiter represent in missing value. Default delimiter is comma, and missing like a miss over. For miss over, I'm just prevent the SAS program from going new input line if does not find the value in current line for all the input statement. And first of obvious, here I'm just giving the message consider first observation from line 2. So input, here I'm just providing the all input in all variable from Excel sheet. So here I'm writing the if character variable, then I'm adding the dollar sign. If numeric variable, that dollar sign is not needed. Once you have written your program, then copy the Excel file, and then click on that click on solution menu, and post that select accessories, and there is a path, the DD triplet. You just copy all path and paste in this path location. And once that path is done, and path is copied, and post that, select all program and run.